Welcome to Weekend Cravings. Today we're making this soft and incredibly fluffy lemon snacking cake. Nothing fancy schmancy, just something delicious to snack on and enjoy throughout your weekend. So throw on your favorite cozy sweatshirt, gather those ingredients, and let's bake together this amazing cake. Now, the best way to make lemon cakes is using real lemons. You don't need extracts, you don't need lemon juice in a bottle. Stick to fresh lemons, and I promise you this will be one of the best lemon cakes you'll have. Whenever you're zesting lemons, you just want to make sure you're rotating the lemons as you zest them to avoid zesting the white bitter part. Add the sugar to the softened butter, and you want to cream these for about a minute. The sugar crystals along with the butter will extract even more lemon flavor out of the zest. You know when you exfoliate your skin? That's what we're doing here. Kinda. With the lemon. You're exfoliating the lemon. Add the eggs, and you want to mix everything until just combined. Your mixture will look like pudding at this point. Forget the flowers. If spring had a smell, this would be it. Add ricotta or yogurt, whichever you prefer, milk, lemon juice, the flour, baking powder, and salt. This cake really comes together in a pinch. It's so easy, and it makes the perfect amount of cake. 2 to 3 layer cakes are great for parties, but 1 layer cakes are what my family calls Sunday cakes. The perfect weekend treats. The cakes to make when you want a little pick-me-up when you want to bake something, but you don't want to spend the entire day baking. It's the weekends. It's sunny. Go out. Have a good time. Bake the cake at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 22 to 25 minutes. While that's baking, let's make Sunday sauce. I'm joking. Let's make the frosting. The trick to making this creamy lemony frosting is to infuse the cream with lots of fresh lemon zest, which we will remove later on. You'll see. Give it a stir, cover it, and pop it in the fridge while the cake bakes. After 22 to 25 minutes, check the cake. Don't overbake it, but you do want to do the toothpick test. Let the cake cool in the pan for 5 minutes, run a spatula along the sides. After 5 minutes, turn it over onto a cooling rack and, set the cake to the side to cool completely. Once the cake has completely cooled, we can finish up the frosting. You'll need some cream cheese, powdered sugar, and you're going to strain the cream, and you'll be left with the most amazing, delicious lemon-infused cream without the gritty lemon zest. Removing the zest will give you the most amazing, smooth, creamy mouthfeel. It's so good. Whip this up. I like mine pretty soft and spreadable. You're going to generously spread the frosting onto the cake. By the way, you don't have to make the frosting. A sprinkle of powdered sugar always does the trick. This cake is delicious on its own. There's no need to trim the sides. I just wanted you to see the texture. It's so soft. If you're looking for a simple, quick and easy, but delicious treat to make this weekend, make this.